How many 1 rupee, 50 paise and 25 paise coins are there if they are in the ratio 4 is to 5 is to 6 and together amount to rupees 32? Now, the concept in money is denomination multiplied by quantity is equal to amount. Now, the ratio of quantities is given to us as 4 is to 5 is to 6. So we can assume the quantities as 4x, 5x, and 6x. Now the denominations are 1 rupee, 50 paise, and 25 paise. Now we'll have to either convert everything into rupees or everything into paise. So right now we'll convert everything into paise. So 1 rupee, that is 100 paise, 50 paise, and 25 paise. So if we multiply, the respective amounts come out to be 400x, 50 into 5, that is 250x, 25 into 6, that is 150x. So if we add all these, you will get 800x. Now we are given that together they amount to rupees 32. Now as we have converted everything into paise, we'll have to convert 32 also in paise. So 800x is equal to 3200. So therefore zeros get cancelled out. We get x is equal to 4. And therefore we get the number of coins as 4 fours are. So 1 rupee coins are 4 fours are, that is 16. 50 paise coins are 5 fours are, that is 20. And 25 paise coins are 6 fours are, that is 24. So these are your answers.